Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So here is the second part of your third chapter working with Windows 7. Let's begin it. Okay, so today's our topic is starting Windows. That how to start Windows. So let's begin it. That when we switch on computer, जब भी हम computer को switch on करते हैं, ठीक है? So at that time, Windows operating system (OS) means operating system starts loading into the computer's memory. What happened there? विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो होती है वो स्टार्ट होके लोड हो जाती है कहाँ पे इन अ कंप्यूटर मेमोरी. ओके, नाउ वंस द प्रोसेस इज कंप्लीट, जब भी प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाएगी तब द फर्स्ट स्क्रीन दैट अपीयर्स ऑन द मॉनिटर इज नोन एज द डेस्कटॉप. जो भी फर्स्ट स्क्रीन दिखती है ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन वी कॉल इट अ डेस्कटॉप. इसे हम ये पूरी स्क्रीन जो भी दिख रहे हैं वी कॉल इट अ डेस्कटॉप. It contains some graphics. You can see some graphics are there on a desktop or a symbols known as icons. So this all thing, ये जो दिख रहा है उसे हम बोलेंगे icons. The small graphics or a symbol on the desktop is known as icon. So desktop क्या contain करता है? Icons contain करता है. ठीक है? Now the next thing is there, the start button. On the desktop there is a one start button. I will show you that how it's look like. So this is the probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. Look at this. ये रहा उसका picture. और ऐसा ही round star button होता है यहाँ पे. Look at my pointer on the corner, down side corner on the left corner. This is the start button. और सबसे ज्यादा यूज होने वाला बटन कौन सा है? स्टार्ट बटन, जिसे हम डेस्कटॉप पे देखते हैं. When we click on start button, look at this. जब भी आप ये start button को क्लिक करोगे, one menu will displaying on the major options appear. Okay, here is all the applications or a major options you can able to see here. ठीक है? Now the next thing is that this options provide access to the main programs. Okay, कंप्यूटर में जितने भी programs है, applications है, ठीक है? और we can say that any software, कुछ भी, मतलब जो भी चीजें हैं सब कुछ आपको कहाँ पे मिलेगी? On a start button. Okay. Now the next topic is there, the computer icon. On this desktop one icon is there जिसका नाम है computer icon. What is the use of it? So the computer folder display the content of the computer hard disk, CD, DVD or any other external storage media. ठीक है, CD, DVD या कोई भी स्टोरेज मीडिया जस्ट लाइक अ पेन ड्राइव, कुछ भी इंसर्ट करोगे तो वो कहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा? इन अ कंप्यूटर आइकन. Okay, now using the computer icon, whenever you double click on computer icon, this window will appear on your screen. ये जो सेंटर में दिख रही है this window will appear on your screen. Okay, so we can access and manage all the folders and files stored in a computer. Look at this. Here is so many folders, drives is there, जिसे हम बोलेंगे C drive, E drive, G drive, H drive. What is this? See, this all drives. ये सब drives क्या है? Drives is the destination where you can store your files in a computer. ठीक है? So with the help of this computer icon, you can manage all files and folders stored in a computer. Now it is useful for finding and organizing, moving and copying files and folder in a computer. क्या क्या कर सकते हैं हम? Finding मतलब ऐसे सर्च कर सकते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं कि जगह पे, मूव कर सकते हैं मतलब एक जगह से एक ड्राइव में से दूसरे ड्राइव में या एक फोल्डर में से दूसरे फोल्डर में उसे मूव कर सकते हैं. एंड कॉपी ऑल्सो कर सकते हैं. कॉपी करना मतलब कि सेम फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर यू वांट टू कॉपी फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर, सो यू कैन कॉपी इट ऑल्सो. ठीक है? Now the next thing is that double clicking on the computer icon. Computer icon opens the computer folder. Computer icon पे double click करोगे किसी भी icon पे on a desktop, you have to 2 times click. कितने बार क्लिक करना है? 2 times क्लिक करना है. So then it will open. अब इसमें ये विंडो पे क्या क्या है? कंप्यूटर आइकन की जो विंडो है उस पे क्या कौन सी चीजें हैं? That one I want to tell you. So चलो देखते हैं कि कंप्यूटर आइकन के स्क्रीन पे कौन सी चीज है. तो सबसे पहला है एड्रेस बार. यू कैन सी दिस इज हाईलाइटिंग हियर, ब्लू और रेड कलर से हाईलाइट हो रहा है. What it displays? So it displays the complete path of the selected files and folder. Now the back button. Okay, here is a one back button also be there. Okay, it lets you navigate. It lets you navigate to the previously open folders without closing the current window. Okay. So the computer icon is displayed, the first one address bar, फिर back button and the forward button. Look at this. This is a backward and forward button. What is the use of backward and forward button? That after using backward button, पहले मैंने जैसे बताया backward button से आप back window पे जा सकते हो, forward button से आप next window पे जा सकते हो. ठीक है? To again move to the current open window. Okay, now the toolbar. Toolbar provides buttons for common tasks according to the file and folder. उसके नीचे है toolbar. We call it toolbar. Okay. एंड वहां पे कुछ ऐसे कॉमन बटन्स है जिसको परफॉर्म करके आप अपने सिलेक्टेड फाइल या फोल्डर पे एक्शन ले सकते हो. नाउ द लेफ्ट पेन में क्या होता है? फाइल, फोल्डर एंड ड्राइव्स. EGHC drive. Okay, we call it navigation pen. इसे हम navigation pen भी बोलेंगे. It is the left pen that display a list of drives and folders. Allows you to quick search files and folder in a current folder. Now the search box क्या करता है? यहाँ पे है देखो search box जिसपे आप search कोई भी फाइल और फोल्डर को सर्च कर सकते हो. Now right pen. This is a right pen which is highlighting on the screen. So this is called a right pen. It displays the contents of the folder that has been selected in the left pen. Left pen में जो भी है उसे display करता है. Now files and folder. What we call the files and what we call the folder. So let's see. File. It is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD or a pen drive. Okay, files जहाँ पे स्टोर होती है, कहाँ स्टोर हो सकती है? On a hard disk, CD, DVD and or in a pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, रियल लाइफ में हम जैसे अपने पेपर्स को फाइल में रखते हैं, just like that similarly any information regarding our computer in a computer is saved in the form of file. कंप्यूटर में जो भी आप काम करोगे वो कौन से फॉर्म में सेव होगा? According to a file. Each file is given a file name. हर फाइल को जब आप सेव करोगे, so you have to give a file name, which help us to find the desired file. Clear? Now the folder. As we keep all our files in a file cabinet, similarly, a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep our files or a subfolder. A folder can hold what it can hold. So it hold the files and other folders. जैसे कि folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Folder के अंदर वापस folder हो तो उसे हम बोलेंगे subfolder. And how you can define the folder? With this yellow color. ठीक है? Yellow color जो दिख रहा है we call it folder. और folder के अंदर भी folder हो सकता है जिसे हम बोलेंगे subfolder. You can differentiate a file from a folder with the help of icons associated with them. Okay, now the next thing is that creating a file. How you can create a file? So let's see that how you can create it. So the most common method to create a file is by using any application software. Open Microsoft Word. Okay, blank page display होगा on the screen. Type any text, एक कुछ भी text type करो, and then afterward click on the file option to save your file. ठीक है? तो file tab पे click किया and click on save and type your file name and click on the save button. Save button जो यहाँ पे दिख रहा है उस पे click करो. So it creates a new file. Okay. Now here is the one note is there that Control plus N is a shortcut key to create a new file. ठीक है? Now let's see the next thing is there. Creating a folder. Folder कैसे create करते हैं? So right click on the blank area of the desktop and as the shortcut menu come, you can see that new option is there. New option पे click करके folder option पे click करना है. You have to click on the folder option. So new folder will come on your desktop or any screen. Write down your file folder name. जो भी आपको आपकी folder का name देना है, वो name देके press enter key. And whenever you press enter key, the folder name will change. So this way you can create a new folder. Now here is a one note is there that shift plus delete key is delete files and folders permanently. Okay, now let's see the next thing. Opening a file and folder. कैसे ओपन करना है? So to open a file and folder, simply move the pointer to the required file folder option. Okay, and double click on it or double click करो उस पे. So the file and folder will open and you can view its content और उसके content आप दे सकते हो. Now next, renaming a file and folder. What is the meaning of renaming a file and folder? That rename means to change the existing name of a file and folder. Right click on it, okay, and there is a one option come rename. यहाँ पे look at this, the rename. Okay, whenever you click on rename, it allows you to change your file or folder name. So click on it and then type a new, backspace key press and type a new folder name and press enter key. So now your folder name will rename, change हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Next is using a context menu. What is the meaning of context menu? So whenever you right click on any icon, one pop-up menu will display on your screen, which is called a context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access command. Okay, कोई भी command को access करने के लिए आप इसे अपना time save कर सकते हो. But right clicking on the different area of the object, you can see the different context menu for different shortcut. Okay. Now right clicking on the blank area of the desktop. अच्छा, context menu में blank area में अगर right click करोगे, so what you will get? So you will get the new context menu, okay, where you can see the personalize option. With the help of that personalize option, you can change the background of your desktop. Desktop की background theme change कर सकते हो, screen saver change कर सकते हो. You can change the window color also. Okay, so many things you can change with the help of this desktop context menu. Okay, now the next topic is that right clicking on an object. किसी भी object पे right click करो, so you can see that you will find an entirely different menu which is called the properties option, will be found at the bottom of the list. ठीक है. Now next topic, what is a shortcut? Shortcut किसे बोलेंगे? So a shortcut is an icon that provide an easy method to open any application or a software that we frequently use. There is a small jump arrow present at the lower left corner of the screen. ठीक है. शॉर्टकट मेनू का कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये शॉर्टकट आइकन है? उसके लेफ्ट साइड डाउन कॉर्नर में एक जंप एरो होता है. Okay, now how to create a shortcut icon for Microsoft Word? So click on the start button and select all programs, ठीक है, and select the Microsoft Office and choose the Microsoft Word from there and right click on it. जैसे ही right click करोगे, you will see the one option send to. There is a context menu again open and वहां पे एक option है send to. So click on send to option and there is a one option, one more context menu open and उस पे होगा desktop. So click on the desktop और उसके बाजू में लिखा है create shortcut. So the Microsoft Word shortcut button icon created on the desktop. So this way we can create a desktop or shortcut on our desktops. Okay, so directly you can double click on that icon and you can open the Microsoft Word. So here our chapter is going to over. Let's recap the chapter that हमने ये chapter में क्या पढ़ा. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. Windows 7 is an easy to use and multitasking operating system. The desktop is the first screen of Windows. Small graphics or symbols displayed on the desktop are called icons. The computer folder display the content of the computer's hard disk, CD, DVD, or on other external storage media like a pen drive. And the last one, using computer folder, we can manage and access all the files and folders stored in a computer. A file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. Each file is given a file name which help us to find the desired file. A folder in a computer is like a file cabinet where we keep relevant file. The shortcut icon provides an easy and quick method to open any application or a software that we use frequently. It has a small jump arrow at its lower left corner. So here our chapter number 3 is going to over. Next time I will explain you the new chapter, which is chapter number 4. Okay, students?